Every house in my hometown, Enchi, has a plantain garden. Plantain garden. Learning from the people of Enchi. Every house has a garden. Every house has a garden. It is something very important. Every house has a garden. This is plantain. This garden, and this garden also has cocoyam. You have turkey berries, yam, all around the house. A lot of other plants. So yeah, this is also plantain. Plantain, and you see all the houses here are having their own garden, and this particular house is having oranges. That's a fruit. And then this garden, there are a lot of other crops in it, plantains, cassava, all around. Yeah. So in this house there are oil palm, and then plantain. This is cocoa. Those of you who have not seen cocoa, this is a cocoa grown in the house. This is the cocoa plant. Cocoa plant. This is the cocoa. You see the pod growing on it. Yes, this is how it looks. Looks beautiful. And then grown in the house. This is a house. Cocoa is grown in it. Beautiful cocoa. It's beautiful cocoa. It's a beautiful cocoa plant. Those of you who have not seen cocoa plant before, this is how a cocoa plant looks like. And so this house has a cocoa plant. This is also another garden. So basically every house in the community is having a garden. It's having a garden. So we are encouraging all of you to learn from this community where everybody owns a garden. Thank you.